Dear friends, in the last video I was talking about soft skills. In this video I am going to talk about a book which recently I laid my hands on. Folks, I must tell you, it was an amazing book. It inspired me a lot, motivated me a lot, and it gave me a sense of calmness after reading the book. I thought today I will share you the inputs of that book. The name of the book is Be Happy Attitudes. Positive attitudes that can transform your life. The name of the author is Dr. Robert H. Schuller. Dr. Schuller spreads his positive attitudes to millions across the world through more than 20 books, including the bestsellers Tough Times Never Last, but Tough People Do, and other book Self-Esteem. His television program The Hour of the Power is widely considered to be one of the most sought after television programs in the TV history. Dear friends, I am Sam J. Gomez. I am the founder of Prajna. So my channel name is Prajna by Sam J. Gomez. Please subscribe my channel, it's a request. Dr. Schuller talks about happiness. You and me, everybody out there want happiness. But happiness is elusive, isn't it? How many times have you thought of, how often have you thought, if only I had that car, I would be happy. If only I could get someone truly to love me, I would be content. If only I wasn't under so much financial stress, I would be happy. So if onlys and if onlys. The point is, if all the if onlys in the world would have come true, still could not guarantee you happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Schuller in this story talks about a young man who longed for a Ferrari. The story goes like this. There was a young man who longed for a Ferrari. He dreamed about the car. He imagined himself behind the wheels. He could feel the power of the engine. So he fantasized about the car, and his passion was about the Ferrari was his passion. Days went by. At last, his dream has come true. He got a promotion in his job. Along with the promotion came a salary hike. So he went to the showroom and saw a black Ferrari, a black stunning Ferrari, and he purchased it. He took the Ferrari into the streets of US. It was very magnificent to drive. He started enjoying all the attention he is getting from envious young men and lovely ladies out there. These lovely ladies expected him to take them to fancy restaurants, very expensive restaurants, because he is the owner of a Ferrari, so he can afford. Slowly, it was all hunky-dory. I would say. Slowly, things started changing. All the money, all the salary raise and other money he used to get was started going into the car. So he couldn't find both ends. He couldn't meet both ends. It was a financial burden on him. So one day he sat and he thought to himself, if I ever had a Ferrari, I would be eternally happy. But now what is my plight? A question started haunting him. If I ever will be happy? If I ever will be satisfied? So the point is, where do you find happiness? In riches? No, money cannot help you. In recognition, fame is fleeting. In relationships, even your loved ones will let you down. In recreational drugs, the drugs will give you only habits and problems. Ladies and gentlemen, this session is all about life's transforming positive attitudes. In He has written about a lot of positive attitudes, and Dr. Schuller called beatitudes, be happy attitudes. He summarized, and he said he called himself it as beatitudes. So first beatitude he is talking about, I need help, I can't do it alone. How often you thought about that? Did you tell when a situation comes, have you ever opened up? I need help, I can't do it alone. In all phases of our lives, the principle is the same. If you want true happiness, you must admit, I need help, I can't do it alone. The second be happy attitude is, I am really hurting, but I am going to bounce back. Look at the title, the beatitude, beautiful attitude. The beatitude means beautiful attitude. I am really hurting, I have problems. Everybody has got problems, their own problems. Everybody in the world has problems. But I am going to bounce back. Dr. Schuller here says, don't fix the problem. Don't fix the blame. Fix the problem. Convert your sorrows into your servants. And the great people across the world, all the people who have become successful, what they do from the what differentiation, how do the non-successful people and the successful people, they differentiate. The successful people turn their scars means wounds, into stars. Successful people turn their scars into stars. And the other beautiful attitude, I call it as beautiful attitude, it is B attitude is, I am really going to do only the right thing. I am going to do only the right thing. Mother Teresa observed during one of her early visits to America. She said, in India, people are dying out of physical poverty, and in America, people are dying of emotional poverty. So, ladies and gentlemen, where is success help you? Where is happiness? And the next beatitude, the next beautiful attitude is positive attitude is, I am going to treat others the way I want others to treat me. I am going to treat others the way I want others to treat me. This is a sure prescription. This be happy attitude is a sure prescription for happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, they say, if it really, it is not what happens to me that most, but it is how I really want, it's how I react to it. It is not what happens to me that most, but how I am going to react to it. See, all the persecutors in the world, all the leaders, all the religious leaders, all the political leaders, all the successful people, it is not what happened to them, it is how they react to them. In this thought, I am signing off, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Until then, when we see with another video, thank you very much.